A question that often surfaces with respect to the current status of English as a global language is whether English will retain its current position and status as a global language, or will a time come when English will lose its power. So, is the reversal of status of English possible? Is a question that people often ask. The simple answer to this question is yes, it is possible. But it is possible only when we consider two factors. One is a change in the existing balance of power. When we see the countries which are considered powerful at the moment, they lose their power, and other countries which are not considered very powerful or developed currently take their place. Similarly, another possibility which can bring about a change in the status of English is the invention of an alternative method of communication. The change in the balance of power again depends on two different factors. One is the political power, and the other is the economic influence that a country exercises on other countries of the world. History tells us that Britain had brought almost half the world under, in fact more than half the world under its control as a result of colonization, and therefore enjoyed a lot of political power. With the political power came the economic influence, as Britain had complete access to the natural resources and manpower in the countries that it had colonized. So, the British colonizers would take the raw materials back to England and use it for different purposes, including their industrial development, which was also responsible for the development of England in the 19th and the 20th century. If we look at America, which is again an English-speaking country, after the Second World War, America gained a lot of economic power. In fact, the economic power that America obtained after the Second World War is phenomenal. America completely strengthened itself as a economically rich country, and became one of the richest countries in the world. America was able to give loans to different European countries for reconstruction after the World War. So because of all these reasons, the political power and economic influence of countries where English was a native language, English continued to strengthen itself and attained a position of power and became a global language. But if this balance of power, if this division of power is altered, if some other country becomes a world power economically and politically, then this status that English enjoys because of the political and economic power of the countries where it is the first language, the status of English will also change or may also change. For example, if Bangladesh becomes a world power tomorrow, then English may not be considered as powerful a language as it is considered today. So this change in political power has to be a large-scale change. It has to be almost a revolutionary change, a drastic change. That is why I gave the example of Bangladesh, that if tomorrow Bangladesh becomes the world power, then this reversal of the status of English is possible. So this change has to be a large-scale change. A small-scale change will not make much of a difference because English is used in many countries of the world. So it is not restricted only to countries like America and England. Now it is used in many other countries as well. So a small-scale change may not be able to tilt this balance of power to a great extent and bring about a change in the status of English. So the ownership of English is now not only restricted to America and England, but many countries claim an ownership of English. And therefore, a small change in the balance of power will not change the status of English. An alternative method of communication is also easier said than done. For example, a time may come when people may use machine translations. In fact, we already have machine translations. For example, during international sessions of the United Nations and other international bodies and forums, machine translations are used. But a complete alternative method of communication needs a lot of time for its development and, of course, a lot of resources. But it is not an impossible idea. A time may come when it may become possible for people to communicate in their first language using machine translations. However, there's a lot of finances involved, and global spread of such an alternative means of communication and its equal accessibility to all the nations of the world, poor and rich alike, is a little far-flung idea at the moment. Therefore, it seems that even an alternative method of communication does not pose a total threat to the status of English, at least in near future. It may take, let's say, 25-50 years for such a means of communication to develop, and then spread will take further, maybe 20 to 50 years, or maybe 100 years. So maybe 100 years from now, we may have some change in the current status of English. Otherwise, it seems that English is very safe in its position, and its current status as a global language is completely safe.